Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I am sharing the swaps I received from my team swap, or from my team retreat at the end of September. Loads and loads and loads and loads of swaps in here, box full. So I'm going to show you them all one by one because there's loads of them. So it was really good. It was lovely to have new girls with us as well. And this one actually happens to be from one of the new girls, Jane. And she said to me that she did lots of research as to what kind of thing went on in swaps. And in here, so it's hot chocolate there, or marshmallows there, and a hot chocolate in here in a little slide out pouch. That's so cool. That is really cool. So thank you, Jane. And I'm filming this right after the team event, but I haven't opened anything. But obviously you're seeing this a little while later, trying to shoehorn everything in. This is from one of the girls. This is her first event, so love that. I love chomps. Don't have them very often. And a couple of little gift tags. Fantastic. Thank you, Emma. And then what's this? This is from Sally. Look at that little rainbow. I went up to her and I went, Sally, I need a rainbow. And she just smiled at me. That's got chocolate inside. Yum. Which is very nice, and all the details in there. But I love that it's a little shadow box. That's really clever. I don't think I've ever made shadow boxes, but a shadow box is a card. Gorgeous. And then in here, I don't know whose this is from, so I'm not sure, but that's a nice looking pen. Little pen holder, very clever. And I would guess if you've got something smaller, you could fold over, because there is a bend in that. That's very clever. And more sweeties. I think our team is known for the whole sweetie thing. And yeah, there's because we see each other. We don't see each other all the time, but obviously we talk frequently. It's as much about gifting as it is anything else. And then I've got here this one's just popped open. Little mini sweetie treats. Mawams. Love those. I'm going to have to hide all of this from my boys. Just a simple, nice little thing. That would be a lovely table favour. And what have I got here? Oh, I know this one. So I know what's in here because I have popped it open to have a look. Because everybody opened theirs and they were like, oh my goodness, have you seen Amber's swap? So in here, look at that. Beautiful wreath. Christmas decoration. With our gorgeous gold and rose gold glimmer paper. How fabulous is that? Just gorgeous. And then another one here. Beautiful. That's lovely. This is Karen. She said, I've got to give you this one because it's got cherry cobbler on it, Sam, which is my colour. Love that. Look at that. All that sparkle and glitter. And right, so who's this one from? I don't remember. But in here, oh, lots of sweeties. So who's made this one? Karen Matthews. So Karen was with us for her first event, although she's been with us for almost 2 years now. You know, pandemic's going to do that. Very lovely. So pretty. And this one is, I want to say this, I'm pretty sure this is Jez. Ooh, Dairy Fine Treat Size Dreamy. I don't know what those are, but yeah, this is Jez Carpenter, Nigeza Creates. And look at that, that is a perfect fit. That really is fabulous. And another one here. So this is Sally Carpenter, and this was Sally's event too. Sally's first event. Squashies. Definitely think that, yeah, everybody seems to know that we like to do the whole sweetie swap. And Julie's. What's Julie made? Julie's been with us for many years. And oh, look at that. So that's a little mini sewing kit inside. And she's made it look like a bobbin. That's really clever. That is really clever. Julie made us all cupcakes one year with teeny tiny little cupcakes with cupcake holders. That was one year. And yeah, she always makes something a little, you know, really clever. And you're like, God, why didn't I think of that? This is Sheila. Sheila came down on the train. She had a long journey. So we hosted the event not far from me in Aughton. We went to a hotel and spa. And where I am on the east of the country, you can get north and south because I'm on the East Coast Main Line really, really, really easily, north and south. Very easily. But left to right, not so much. So Sheila travelling in from the other... from the left, she literally was a horizontal line across to me. I don't think it was the easiest journey. Now this, if you didn't know who this was, or if you didn't know that I've just shown you the name, you would know this straight away. I would spot this straight away. This is Jill Chapman, who's Paper Daisy Crafting, and I can spot her stuff. She's got such a beautiful style. So she's taken our 3 purples and she's just mixed and matched. Absolutely stunning. And what she does with the rainbow in beautiful styled cards, amazing. And this is from the lovely Sim. Oh look, see, there's more sweeties. I love that, and I love that it's just a simple card on the front, and that's such a nice little treat. That would be a nice table favour at Christmas. Oh, I've just broken the peg. Oh, sorry, Sim. But yeah, nice table favour, because it's not. You could put it on somebody's plate. Then this. So I looked at this, and I looked at Julie's. This is Julie Kindred, and I went, "Is that honey?" And she went, "No, it's not." And I said, "What is it?" And she said, "It's envelope glue." So in here, I'm guessing, are the instructions about it, about how to use it. There you go. So it's, oh, that's it. It's homemade envelope glue. So it's vinegar, gelatin, vanilla extract and sugar. Interesting. Oh, envelope gelatin. Microwave the vinegar until it's hot, about 30 to 45 seconds. Add the gelatin to the vinegar and stir to dissolve. Once dissolved, add the sugar and vanilla extract. You should end up with hot, watery mixture that's the colour of honey. Application to apply to envelope flaps. Leave to dry. Now you have a lick to seal handmade envelope. Store the glue in the fridge and it should last several months. It is a food product, so it will start to grow mould after a while. Whenever you need to use the glue, just put it in the microwave to 10 seconds so it liquefies from its solid cold states. Yeah, we all thought it was honey, and I'm gonna... Oh, that is quite the vinegary fragrance, but wow. And so I'm guessing that she's perhaps sealed this with it. I'm not sure. But yeah, we all were like, that's honey. So that is really clever. So yeah, Julie Kindred, Fat Bird Crafting. She's fabulous. But yeah, so she had all of these, one for everybody. And we're like, is that honey? No. Handmade envelope glue. And you know, here's the thing, when you make a handmade envelope, you know, or rather if you make a bespoke size card and you need a bespoke size envelope, you could stick it with regular glue, but that's, you can then lick it once the glue has dried, you can then lick it. So clever. And this, how pretty is this? Little post-it note holder from the lovely Linda Worth. And it's like a little handbag, like a little briefcase. Very sweet. A few more in here. So, oh, right, this has popped off. I'm guessing probably this one. I'm guessing it's popped off there. So that would have been on there. So this one says, because adulting is hard. Who's this? Karen Mackley. And in here, yep, sleep and glow tea. That's really lovely. Look at that. That's very nice. Ooh, very clever. And I don't know if you can see inside. I don't want to take this off because I might peel it open, but it's divided inside. It's two. Yeah, I can't get you to see. If I pop that one in, it's got a little envelope No, I'm going to have to undo. I don't want to undo it. Let's do it that way. Very clever. See? That's really clever. Fab. And a few more here. So who's this one from? Kamella. Look at that. Believe, achieve, succeed, and imagine. Pencil holder. Very sweet. I like the black paper clip too. And then I've got another one in here. Who's this? Carol Brown. So Carol was on her first event too. Love that swirl. Love the stylish colours. Black, grey and purple. Very nice. And then, oh, I've got two of these. I've got two of these. These are lovely Heidi, who is Flutter by Heidi. And I certainly know the project because it's a miniaturised version of one I've done, and I love that she's miniaturised it. And little Mauam blocks inside. And just a little holder. And another one there. With the red Mauams inside. Love the colour coordinating. So, yeah, that's all the amazing swaps I had from my gorgeous, gorgeous team. Loads and loads of inspiration. As ever, the team always inspires me. Whenever I see them, they totally inspire me. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.